Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a discount code on Wix. To start this tutorial, open editor.wix.com in your internet browser and click on the plus sign. In here, you're going to go and search. Over at search, you're going to look for news. Now wait for the website to load this time. This might take a few seconds or minutes. All you have to do is wait for it. Don't worry, I'm still here. Now once it appears, we're now going to click on Promotion Light Boxes. And then in here, we will see all the other options or the other settings that you might want to use. And there we go. There it is, the holiday sale kind of theme. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.